Throughout history, humans have faced countless natural adversaries. Yet, among the most fascinating and formidable foes are the armies of insects that have swarmed across landscapes, leaving devastation in their wake. Today, we explore these battles lost against swarming insect forces, examining how these tiny creatures have at times overwhelmed human endeavors with sheer numbers and natural ingenuity. Our journey begins in 1915, in what was then Palestine, now modern-day Israel. A colossal locust plague descended upon the land, dense clouds of insects obscuring the sky and darkening the day. These voracious eaters devoured everything in their path, stripping fields bare, obliterating crops, and causing widespread famine. Farmers tried everything from smoke and noise to pesticides, but the relentless swarm proved indomitable, showing how nature's smallest warriors could cripple a region economically and socially. In Africa, during the 19th century, a different kind of insect incursion took form, not through physical destruction, but by spreading disease. The tsetse fly, with its deadly load of trypanosomes, ravaged livestock and humans alike. Entire villages were deserted as populations succumbed to sleeping sickness, fundamentally altering the demographic and ecological landscape. Despite technological advancements, this battle is ongoing, with the tsetse fly still posing significant health risks today. And then, there is the formidable fire ant, whose spread across the southern United States since the 1930s stands as a testament to the impacts of unintended biological invasions. Despite efforts to control and eradicate them, fire ants have adapted and thrived, impacting agriculture, infrastructure, and human health. These insect armies, relentless in their capabilities to adapt and overwhelm, remind us of the delicate balance between humanity and nature. As we advance in technology and innovation, we must also forge paths of coexistence, acknowledging that sometimes, in the realm of nature versus mankind, the smallest can be the mightiest force.